Once again, great introduction. My name is Mike Brinkavich Jr. I am the current president of PCHH, Orange County, Riverside, and San Bernardino counties. It is my honor to welcome everybody here to the 2022 PCHH Annual Gala. Last year, we had an amazing gala. Hats off to our gala committee for putting on a great show. This year, I think they topped it. Yeah, thank you guys. Yeah, the gala committee really did a great job. For those of you that don't know our chapter is actually turning, and I had to write this down, we are actually turning 73 years young this year. So 73 years old is our local chapter here of PCHH Orange County. I'm extremely proud to have served this chapter for now coming up on 3 years. I can say without a doubt, it's not just me, it's not just Monica, it's not just Doug. I'd like to acknowledge a few members that are here, our board members, as you saw on the slideshow screen. Our board members here tonight, if you don't mind, if you guys could please stand up for just a second, all of our board members, Education and Association, please. These men and women sacrifice their time in the betterment of our chapter. They are consistently showing up to ensure that not only our trade school is successful, but also that these events are successful. So I'd like to give another warm welcome and applause to our board members. Thank you guys.